Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change Google age or Google account age. You click on this and open your Google Chrome first. Then you have to click on this profile icon, this one, and click on manage your Google account. Then click on personal info, the second option. Scroll down a bit. Under this basic info, you'll find here birthday. You have to click on this arrow sign or click on this on the birthday. Then you can change your birth date and year easily. Okay, so you can change. This is how you can change the age of your Google account or the age of your uh, Chrome account also. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.